Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead on Tesla Model Y. First, ensure your Tesla software is fully updated for the best experience. Then, grab a compatible game controller and connect it to one of your Tesla's USB ports. Once connected, simply navigate to the arcade section on your car's large touchscreen display. It's a straightforward process to get started. For optimal performance, a wired USB controller is often the most reliable choice. If you prefer a wireless option, remember it might need a USB dongle to connect properly to your Tesla. Once your controller is ready, simply open the Tesla Arcade and select the Cuphead game icon. You'll be ready to jump into the action in no time.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Before diving into the challenging world of Cuphead, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the game's specific control scheme. Adjust your seat for maximum comfort and the best view of the screen. To ensure the smoothest gameplay, it's a good idea to close any other applications running on your Tesla's system. This helps dedicate resources to the game. If you encounter any issues like the game freezing, try restarting your Tesla's infotainment system. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve minor glitches. Also, double-check the USB port for any debris or ensure your controller is securely connected. If problems persist, test your controller on another device to confirm it's working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.